Gr.7. So we're here again doing some transformational geometry. We are rotating trapezoid A, B, C, D. This time we are rotating it counterclockwise 90 degrees. So again, use your manipulative, label it, put a little stick figure on it so you know exactly how the shape is being transformed. Think back to when you rotate digital images that you've downloaded or uploaded from your camera to your computer, okay? And sometimes they're this way and you want them upright and you're rotating them to the left or you're rotating them to the right. Basically, or you are rotating things clockwise or counterclockwise by 90 degrees or sometimes 180. Anywho, so we have our trapezoid here and it is being rotated counterclockwise, so it's going in this direction and it's only going 90 degrees. So our stick figure first was upright, now it's pointing to the left. Now when you're rotating it about the origin, last time we rotated it around point D, so D was fixed, but this time we're rotating the whole shape about the origin, which is 0, 0. You need to look at how the shape, exactly where the shape is. You can see that this one is sitting on the x-axis and it's also 2 units away from 0, 0. So if you know that it's going this way, it is going to be sitting on the y-axis, okay, like so. Just like it was sitting here on the x-axis, it's pointing to the left, so it's gone 90 degrees counterclockwise, and it is also, notice, 2 units away from the origin, 0, 0. The distance from D to here is 2. The distance from here to here is 2. You can also look at the distance from B to the line is 1, 2, 4 units. Okay, so this is a perfect rotation, okay, about the origin. All 4 coordinates are being rotated. Okay, we can do the exact same thing on Geometer's sketchpad. Away we go. Here we go. We have the program open. We're going to start plotting the original trapezoid. Okay, so you go to Graph, and you're going to click on Plot Points. Okay, so A was -9 on the Y, on the x-axis, and 4 on the y-axis. Make sure you don't confuse the two, x and y. You can see that right there. Okay, plot. Okay, next one was B, -4 on the x, and on the y, 4. Plot. C, -10, and on the y, 0, which means it will be here on the x-axis. D, -2 on the x, 0 on the y. Plot, click done. So these are the coordinates you should have. At this point, you get your straight edge, which is like a ruler, and connect the coordinates, like so. Then, back to the arrow, we are going to label the coordinates, B, C, and D. And Geometer's sketchpad puts them here in the top left-hand corner. It looks a little bit fuzzy. Anyways, let's move on. So we are going to rotate this trapezoid about the origin. So what we need to do is mark 0, 0, the origin, as our center. So right-click, scroll down to where it says Mark Center, and you're going to see that little explosion. There we go. Now we can rotate it about the origin. So we're going to highlight our trapezoid. Something happened. Let's try again. I think I highlighted the entire x-axis. Let's try this again. There we go. Coordinate. Okay, now we go up to transform and we're going to rotate it. And we're going to rotate it 90 degrees about the origin. The origin here, they called it center E. Okay, right there. Rotate, and there we are. Let's scroll down so you get a better view. I'm just going to change colors here. This red. Red. Let's go back on the arrow. Color red. Color red. Okay, good. We're going to label our coordinates. Okay, so this is now B1. You can see B1 was up here, but when you rotate it, B is there now. A was currently up here. It is now moving here. Coordinates, coordinates, and coordinates. There we go. Okay, so this is the exact same thing that we did here. Okay, and here it is on Geometer's sketchpad.